Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand why algorithm analysis is required. So the basic concepts of algorithm, the definition of algorithm and the algorithm specification has already been explained in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here, because the understanding of those concepts is very important for you to understand what we are going to discuss in this class. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, the very important question that needs to be answered before going deep into the algorithm analysis is why algorithm analysis is required. So to understand this problem, we will try to take a real world problem, and based upon that we will try to understand it. So that real world problem is sorting problem. So what this sorting problem is, what is that we are going to get from this sorting problem, that we will try to understand. So here, for example, if you have written an algorithm, if we have written an algorithm for sorting. So algorithm is written, and if you provide an input, a set of numbers as the input to this algorithm, for example, if you take, they may be in the sorted order or they may be in the unsorted order, whatever. If the set of numbers or set of values are given as the input to this algorithm, it is going to arrange those elements in such a way so that they will be in the sorted order. It will arrange those elements in the sorted order. Let's try to understand this. For example, if you have given 5, 4, 6, 7, 2, 1. So these are the numbers that are provided as the input to this algorithm. So what it is going to provide is, it is going to provide 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this way, the elements, the values that are provided as the input will be rearranged in the sorted order. So that is the problem that we have, and we can get those solutions. The solutions for the sorting is obtained by the sorting algorithm. Now in order to solve this problem, in real world, in the practical world, we have these many number of solutions. So we are going to understand about each and every sorting problem in our later videos. So at this point of time, what you have to understand is, for one single problem, the very important point that you have to understand is, for one single problem, the problem is sorting problem. For that problem, we are having different solutions here: insertion sort, selection sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort and radix sort. All these sorting problems are going to solve in the same way. If the unsorted order is given, means it is going to produce an output in the sorted order. So all of them are producing the same output. Why these many number of solutions? Which one we have to choose? That is the question. Among these, which one we have to choose? Will all these problems work in the same way? No. Insertion sort, the way in which the insertion sort is different, the way in which we are going to get the solution from the insertion sort is different from the way in which the selection sort works. Similarly, bubble sort. So every algorithm is different from another one. So from those options, if you need to select one of the solution, we are going to go for the best solution. If you have the choices, what we are going to do, we are going to choose the best one, right? So among these different number of choices for any single problem, for any problem in the real world, we will have multiple solutions. From those multiple solutions, the best choice has to be obtained, the best choice has to be chosen. So on what factors we are going to choose? So the another question is, hope you got the solution, you got the answer for this, why algorithm analysis is required. So we are going to analyze these algorithms and we are going to choose them, one of the best one. So that is the reason why we have to analyze an algorithm. Whenever we write an algorithm, after that we have to analyze it. So on what are the factors upon which we are going to choose an algorithm? That is another question. The factors, there are different types of factors that are based upon which we can choose an algorithm. In our entire course, the only one factor that we are going to choose upon which we are going to choose an algorithm is time. So the only factor that we are going to understand, that we are going to consider in choosing an algorithm, in analyzing an algorithm. So whenever we have written an algorithm, to analyze an algorithm, the only factor that we are going to consider in this entire course is time. The other very important factor is space. We just try to understand the definition and a basic part of it, but we are not going to consider this as the main factor to choose an algorithm, to analyze an algorithm. Okay, so these many number of algorithms are there. Among these many number of algorithms, based upon which one is going to take less amount of time, that is more efficient in order to. So what does that time means is, if the algorithm, if the same input is given to all these algorithms, first insertion sort, next selection sort, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort and radix sort, to all these algorithms, if the same input is given, which one is producing the output at less amount of time, so that one is more efficient, right? We are going to choose that one. Okay, so this is one of the factor on which we are going to, so this is the factor upon which we are going to analyze an algorithm. So why we need to analyze an algorithm? To choose the best algorithm. We have to analyze an algorithm, whether that algorithm is working efficiently or not. Okay, so that is the reason why algorithm analysis is required. In the next coming classes, we will try to understand how we are going to analyze the algorithm based upon type, and before this analysis, we will try to understand the basic definitions of space in our next class. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.